What up, everyone? It's Kuya240 back at it again with a new video. I apologize, I haven't been around for 2 weeks. I was out of state and I was just been working, honestly. So I haven't really worked on the car. I haven't really even been home. So sorry that I was gone for 2 weeks. I'm just getting back to it. And this is a radiator back here, which we're gonna still put in, and hopefully tonight I'm gonna do it with my boys, and I could make that for next Friday. But I'm gonna release this little video for some content. Um, this is back in Hot Pits that was hosted by Jeff Jones, and there's pro drifters, amateur, semi-pro drifters, and I did a ride along, and my boy Nunez did a ride along as well, and it's really cool. It was in Irwindale. It was a cool meet, cool little car show, and this is the Irwindale track. So if you guys have seen the track, you know what I'm talking about, and if you guys haven't seen Irwindale track in California, this is it. I'm gonna do the inside car view of when I was in the passenger. I'm gonna do the outside car view as well. So 2 clips of us doing a lap in Irwindale. But yeah, once I get back to this, you guys, like I said, hopefully I'm gonna put this radiator in. Shouldn't take too long, and we're gonna work on my friend's G. And if we do a good amount of work to it, I will hopefully record that and post that in the near future too. If you guys are interested in a G35 Infinity build, my friend's build, and if he's cool with it, gotta ask him first. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like I said, sorry that I've been away, been busy, but your Kuya is back. All right, now enjoy. I was trying to look at the odometer. I couldn't fucking see shit. So that was a video of a ride along drift and a supercharged BRZ. Really cool dude. I'll put his IG down below in the description. And it was such a great experience. Like, to go that fast getting sideways, versus, when you do donuts or figure eights and whatnot. And it was just a cool experience. And I have a bunch of videos of me doing donuts and figure eights and whatnot. Maybe I'll make a small collab of all those videos and upload those as well, if that's something you guys are interested in. It's not like this, but if you guys are interested in that, how I used to be back then, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, guys, appreciate you guys for watching this. I'm glad to be back. I really am, even though it's only been 2 weeks or 2 Fridays I haven't posted, but I'm glad to be back. And as always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, drive safe, and keep it sideways. Peace out.